Pastor Garland, Psalm 23, thy rod and thy staff. David was referring to the shepherd's staff of which he knew so much about. A staff is given to a shepherd. This November will be my 32nd time going to Israel. You're finally going with me. And you will see shepherds guiding sheep with a shepherd's staff. They don't beat the sheep. They move them. They lead them to green pastures. They guide them. The staff is a symbol of authority. It is a symbol of the caring heart of a shepherd. Grip it with me, Pastor. Many people pass torches. I've been to a lot of services where pastors passed a torch. I've given you all I know to give you. But tonight, I pass to you the most important thing that a shepherd could ever need. And that is the staff that symbolizes the office that you now walk in. It's been mine for 45 years. But tonight it says, Pastor Garland Mays Jr., the Lighthouse Church of All Nations, installation as senior pastor, Sunday, March 26th, 2023. Son, after 45 years of carrying the staff, it is truly my honor to bless you and to say, use it well. Let it guide you. Care for us. Watch over us. Preach to us. Some will like it, some will not. But seek to please God. You now are the shepherd of the largest multicultural church in the entire city of Chicago. 72 nations, 6,000 members. Son, take it from here. I love you, son. Brothers and sisters, the new senior pastor of the Lighthouse Church, Pastor Garland Mays Jr. Sing it, Bridget.